Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy A10. First of all, access Play Store on both of them and tap on the search bar. Then type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. After that, tap on Open. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both devices. Then select Send over here and go with Receive on A10. After that, tap on all of those dots and choose Send in order to send all of your data. It will take a while though, so I will only tap on this one photo, choose Send and click Got it. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on the scanning icon. On A10, choose Allow and point its camera at the code. Now we have to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. You can always check it out for sure by going into, for example, My Files app, selecting in my case images, and looking for Send Anywhere section. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!